Here we come to the staff elevator at Southern Methodist University in Dallas, Texas. This is the Underwood Law Library. It's an old vintage Otis elevator as well. Exact similar cab like the other two, except it doesn't have a carpet on it. It's just got like a metal tile floor. We'll get a cab before we go anywhere. Normally this elevator's for staff only, but I got permission to ride this elevator, so huge thank you to the library staff for not only letting me in your building, but also for letting me ride your service elevator. Look at this, it's got the inch up and inch down. Which, unfortunately, don't do anything. Here's your COP. Wonder what that one button is for. That doesn't do anything. This is your older Otis Series 1 fire service panel that they added on in the 80s. And here's your original Otis logo right there. Just gotta make sure I got a good view of the COP. All right, let's listen to the motor. Here we go. I think it's top drive or bottom, I don't know. The basement works on this elevator. I love that classic Otis leveling. It's definitely top driven. I love that motor. We're going to close up the door and start the motor up from the top. All right, get a listen to this thing. Here we go. Oh my holy joy, I love that motor. I absolutely love the sound of the mechanics. That is just pure joy to my ears. Oh my gosh. That motor, relays, and all the mechanic sounds, they're absolute piece of joy. And I'm sorry for rambling about this. I'm like literally foaming like crazy. This thing is an absolute piece of joy. A pure joy, I must say. Okay, enough of the foaming. Let's go for one more ride and watch the classic leveling. It takes a little bit of second to start up. Thank you to the SMU Underwood Law Library team for letting me film this. Thank you so much. I will say the motor sound and the relay just really touched my heart. Really, it did. What an epic classic Otis leveling. All right, back down to and there. it goes, and that's it.